Hi guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. So this week we are planning for February 19th through February 25th. So before we start, let's take a look back at last week. So this is my last week. I didn't use it at all. I used none of my to-dos, none of my other things. I don't even think I looked at my planner once this week. I just blinked and it was over. So it's really kind of sad, but I really loved this kit, but you know, sometimes it just doesn't work out. So okay, we're gonna start with this week and we're gonna put down the bottom washi first. Before I start that, let me just take a peek. So I am using this kit from Planner Kate. It is called Romance, and of course I have the full box, half box sheet, and the hourly personal sampler. So I am gonna start by putting down the washi that's on the side of the personal hourly sampler. So, and then this is the last week that we will be planning in February. I know I say this every week, but it truly is crazy how fast the year is going. Like Planner Kate is already releasing like spring, summer kits, and it's only February. It's just crazy. So I hope your week last week was doing really well. As I said before, it was fairly busy. We had things going on pretty much every night. So Monday we didn't, but then Tuesday was our Valentine's Day, so we went out to eat. And we went to eat at a local burger restaurant and had Bloody Marys and hamburgers, and it was so good. And then Wednesday we had steak at home, and my husband did get me some flowers sent to me at work. And he does that at work because our cats essentially destroy everything that we've ever brought home. They especially love roses, and they love especially Sven, my one cat, loves fake greenery, so especially like right around Christmas, he just loves the feel of the fake greenery in his mouth, so he'll go to town on it, and it gets ruined within a couple hours. Like they just tear it apart. So the bouquet that he got me didn't include tulips and lilies, which are both toxic to cats, so those stayed at work. And then the Thursday I went to, it was kind of like a work party, which was really nice because we all work in different buildings, so it's just really nice to get together and like troubleshoot together. And then so that was Thursday, and then Friday I left work early and got some errands done. Okay, so while I was talking, I put down my checklist up top, and so now we are back to normal with kits. So I don't have any like add-on sheets or anything for this kit, so take that little side piece off. So I got a bunch of errands done on Friday, and we went grocery shopping, and now it's I'm filming this on Saturday, and it's already like 3:30, and we went, I'm babysitting my friend's dog, so I brought him back over to our house this morning, and the cats just hated it. He is a schnoodle, so he's kind of, I don't want to use the word aggressive because that's kind of a weird term to use for him, but like he's very protective. And when his mother and father are not around, so then he's protective of me. Even though the cats live with me, he doesn't quite understand that. So, yeah. So he's just, the cats would move and he would be me, 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 me. So, but I love him. I mean, he is just a sweetheart, but he does have barking issues. So I'm gonna put, let's see. I'm gonna put down this white one on, Tuesday. So, and then that brings us to this afternoon. We went and looked at a couple open houses. I think our goal is to purchase a house this summer, but first we have to find one. So we were doing that today, and my husband is making beef roast tonight for dinner, and it smells amazing. He kind of seared it and then added, I don't actually know what he did. I'm not a cook, but I know that there was red wine, and it smells really good. So, and then, so I was looking at my plans. I pre-plan or like future plan with Google Calendar on my phone, or I pull it up on my computer too, but I was looking at my plans before I got, I started planning, and I truly have nothing going on this week. Like we don't have any plans. The only thing that is even remotely concerning is my mother-in-law leaves Friday, and we're in charge of our cat. So that's it. But I know the Creating & Co. Enchantathon is also, it's running Monday through Sunday. So I'm probably going to take part in that. So there's that. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to take the washi from the full box, half box sheet, and I'm going to put that on the weekend for my weekend banner. Which I think I'm going to put it down a little bit. And so this might be a fairly short plan with me, I think. Put down my weekend banner from the sheet. What's really funny is I was looking at last week and I didn't even put down my weekend banner. Like, it was just one of those weeks where I was really busy and I didn't look at my planner. So, yeah. Let's see, Monday I'm going to have this video go up. So I am going to put that in a half box. And I'm going to use my half boxes differently this time. I'm going to put it as like my social media, because I have the last couple of weeks I've really been struggling to remember to put it on Instagram and put it on Facebook and all of that stuff. So I'm going to put, I'm just going to leave that. And I am still going to be using a film slate sticker. And I'm going to use, I think this kind of seafoamy tealy color for that. And I'm just going to stick it right in the corner. So that's for my social media. And then I'm going to mark that the Enchantathon starts. So I'm going to take this tealy quarter box and put it there. I'm going to, I do have books. Yeah, I'm going to use this like light pink book. And those are also from Planner Kate as well. I mean, all of my stickers that I'm using are from Planner Kate, truly. And then I'm gonna take this white quarter box and yeah, that's fine. And I'm gonna take the same blue color, yeah, and put that on Sunday to mark that it ends. There are specific challenges for the week, so like you can post it to Instagram, but I don't think I'm going to be participating in that part. I honestly think I'm just going to end up participating in maybe reading a couple books. I don't know. Not really. I plan to read The Court of Thorns and Roses. Is that what it's called? Court of Thorns and Roses. I don't know. I'll link it down below. What the actual series title is, I'm blanking on it for a minute. And by Sarah J. Maas. And I don't know, I'm in the middle of Holly Black's The Cruel Prince on audiobook, and then I'm also in the middle of Slaughter and something else by Tamara Pierce, which is the Newmare Chronicles. So it's like the prequel to the second series, or I guess it's a prequel to all of her series. I don't know. I'll leave all of these books that I talk about in the down bar. I'm really enjoying both The Cruel Prince and the Newmare Chronicles. Slaughter and, oh God, it's gonna really bother me that I don't remember what it is. Let me look at my phone. Tempest and Slaughter. I use the Goodreads app, and I am really loving both books. So, okay, so there's that. Friday, I'm gonna mark it with a half box. I'm gonna use this red half box, put it up further. And I'm going to use, I have these airplanes that I purchased like a long time ago. And I never got a chance to use it until now. I just think that's so cool. So I'm gonna just put that kind of in the center there. I kind of like how that looks. To signify that they're going to Florida. So, and then as of right now, I have truly no plans. So I don't know. Oh, and then my friend's kid, his birthday is on Sunday. So I need to mark that with I'm gonna mark that with some red balloons. Also from Planner Kate. And I'll just write his name here. And I need to remember that I have to go pick him up a present, and I'll probably do that on Saturday. Okay, so then I'm gonna move to the sidebar. And then I'm gonna do to-do. I'm gonna do it on the scallop. I'm gonna do to-do, to call, and to go. And I am gonna put one of these full boxes up top. I did like how that looked last week. I don't know, I just think it finishes off the space. I'm gonna do a to-do. To go. And a to call. Okay. And then I'm gonna put in let me just make sure that I'm pretty sure Riverdale isn't supposed to be back until, yeah, March, which really stinks. So, okay. So now I'm gonna do I'm gonna do the trash icon up on Sunday like normal. I'm gonna take the grocery cart and I'm gonna put that on an appointment label. I'm gonna put that on Friday. And then, so I guess I'm gonna use another appointment label, pink one. And I'm gonna put the vacuum on that. For chores on Saturday. Actually, I'm gonna move the, no, I'll do the chores on Saturday. And I think that's gonna be about it. So thanks for watching, guys. If you could subscribe, that would be great, because then you'll get my video in your subscription feed. And if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up. That helps me know what kind of videos you like. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.